Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, hey traders, hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be looking at the S&P 5. Oh, sorry, no. that was the last video that I did. In this video, silver and gold, okay? We're looking at silver and gold, and there's something really interesting happening with the actual silver and gold in the markets, and I've got a really interesting pattern to share with you, especially when it comes to gold right now, which might not be bullish at all. It may be a bearish scenario for gold. Like, I've been pretty bullish for gold, you know, for the last few weeks or more, and saying we're probably likely to get a breakout and all that sort of stuff, but you know, guys, I'm reading the markets, and the markets are telling me that we may not be bearish, depending on when the breakout is happening. So that's what I want to share with you today, and obviously we're looking at silver as well too. And it's really interesting to see what's going on through there, you know, guys. And at the end of the day, guys, my job as a trader is to not throw my views at the markets. Is saying, okay, market, you tell me. You tell me, okay. You know, think about the markets as a relationship. You know, we never assume anything, right? We never throw our opinions at the relationship as possible, right? We always say, babe, what's really going on? You tell me. Oh, you don't know? Right? That's what the woman says. Oh, you don't know? No, honey, don't. No, honey, I don't. And even if I did, I'm probably going to be wrong anyway. So tell me what's going on. Right? And then let her tell you. Same with the markets. The market is like a woman. It's the characteristics, right? 1 minute she's going up, next minute she's going down, next minute she's going Burko, next minute she's calm. And, you know, it's, you know, but when it comes to a man into the markets, it's like, you know, babe, tell me what's going on, all right? Same with the markets. Darling, markets, tell me what's going on, right? I care for you. You do, you know, I know if I take care of you, you're going to take care of me. So tell me what's going on, right? The relationship talk. But that's the way the markets work, right? It's all about letting the market tell you what's going on. Okay. Now, again, I'm always telling my private clients just to listen to the markets, you know, and it's so important that when I'm telling my private clients that no matter what the market is doing, it's our job just to go to the markets with a non-biased view. Look at it clearly, calmly, so we can make a good decision, and then we can move forward from there. Make sense? So, if you'd like to become a private client of mine, then just go to getjohnshelp.com. That's getjohns, JOHNS help.com. There's an application form there. You can fill it out. We can have a chat, and the coaching may or may not be good fit for you. So, I look forward to speaking to you. But when it comes to gold, the reason why I say that it may not be a bullish scenario, this actually may be a bearish scenario. Again, I'm just looking at the market, what it's telling me right now. I have no idea why, all that sort of stuff. But look at this here, okay? Look at this here. Looking at the GLD right now, and this is actually not looking, right? It's, right? We have a high here. Right? This is resistance. Now look what's happened here, okay? We came down. We found a bottom, which is support, okay? So we found support and we rallied up here. But here's the interesting thing about this market, okay? We had this low through here. We had this higher low, and now we've had this higher low. So notice we ran up, made a higher high. Okay, let's do this here. So we made a higher high. Then we came down, made a higher low, broke past these previous highs, made this high. Came down, made a higher low, couldn't actually break past previous highs. Now we're forming a double top in gold, and we haven't broken past this here. So the way that this market is telling me right now is that we're not breaking up previous highs yet. Now, I'm not saying the market's definitely going to go up or definitely going to go down. Like, we don't know. But if we start to get up, if we hold here and we start to get back below here, so to the 156 level, then what is that? That's a short-term end of trend. A short-term, and then we're probably likely to see a bit of a drop in gold. Like, a pullback may happen, right? And anything is possible in these markets. And so by me looking at these markets, because the markets are telling me, right? And we all know, right? We all know double tops, double bottoms, you know. Look at this here. This was a double top here. broke the neckline, project it down, right? And that's your target. Okay, now if you don't know what I just did just there, let me explain what I mean. It's just so, whenever you see a double top in the markets, you have the neckline, which is this is the double top. This is the neckline. When it breaks the neckline, you measure from the high of the markets down to the low of the markets. We project that down, and oh, isn't that interesting? Look where it ran to. Right, so then the market ran down to there. So same thing for here, right? On a short-term basis, anyway. That'll be the high to the low. Project that down, and at least on a short-term basis, that'll be probably the target on a short-term basis. There. But it's a bit of an end of trend type of, and it's more of a short-term end of trend, right? In the weekly chart scheme of things, we're in a big bull market. But on a short-term basis, guys, we could be getting that drop down. Now, if we break back above this high here, above 164, then the trend is continuing, right? Because now we're continuing to make these lows, these higher lows, higher low. This here still could be some form of smart little higher, some sort of higher low before this market breaks up. So really interesting stuff there. And obviously this is the gold chart here, and the same sort of thing, right? Bit of a double top. We break down, probably likely to break down towards this low level of support on the short-term basis there anyway, guys. So a pullback might just be around the corner. But the silver market is quite different, right? The silver market, we're doing something different here. We've actually broke back up, and now we're just going sideways. But this, no, I shouldn't say it's doing something different. It's probably doing the same thing, right? Same, but different. If we do get a break up in silver, though, I actually ultimately have a target right now of silver of 1850. We had this big drop down through here, and this is what's happening right now in silver. We're just not doing nothing at all, right? Calm before the storm. When the market does this here, it's not doing anything, right? Very, 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 very quiet, right? And that's the whole calming effect. It's calm. Guess what? If we start to break up and out through here, we're likely to make some fireworks. And we see that time and time again, right? We had this big, massive flush down through to here. We had a low, a higher low. This could be some form of a higher low before we continue up, or it may continue down and flush down through here. This move here is probably a very low probability of chance, and the move up is probably a high probability of chance. But it's all about waiting for confirmation. Let the market tell you that it's likely to go in that direction, and then go from there. So that's what I'm seeing there overall right now in silver and gold, guys. Really interesting stuff. Just keep listening to the market. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Guide to the Markets by the Bulls trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free trading with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go to that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.